In this video, we will show how to manually regenerate a downflow softener. Press any button to start, and if the screen reads as shown, simply press and hold the settings button down for approximately 3 seconds until you hear a beep. This means that you've successfully unlocked the control valve. Press and release the manual regen button and the display screen will state delayed regen off. So press and release the manual regen button again and it will now state delayed regen on. The softener has now been queued to regenerate tonight. The display screen will then begin to scroll through its various diagnostics and you'll eventually arrive on the screen that shows delayed regen on, which is confirmation that the system will perform its regeneration this evening, and in this example, it'll be performed at 2 a.m. If you wish to start an immediate regeneration, simply press and hold the manual regen button for approximately 3 seconds until you hear a beep and the screen displays regeneration immediately. Then press the manual regen button again and the valve will begin an immediate regeneration. The display screen will begin to flash advancing to backwash, which is the first cycle for a downflow brining softener system. When the control valve arrives at the backwash position, the time remaining will begin to count down to 0. Then the control valve will advance on its own to the brine draw cycle. When the softener has completed its brine draw cycle, it will then advance on its own to the rinse cycle, perform its rinse, and then it'll continue on to the refill cycle where the appropriate amount of water will be placed back into the brine tank. Once complete, the control valve will advance on its own back to the in-service position where the date and time will be displayed. The softener has now completed a full regeneration and is ready to provide treated water to the home.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.